Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to change address in Zoho Invoice. So first things first, you want to open your browser and you want to go to Zoho Invoice. You want to make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then you're going to click on Access Zoho Invoice. And once here, you want to locate the settings, which is over here at the top right. Then you want to click on Organization Profile. Then you will immediately be brought over at Organization Profile. So if you scroll down a little, you'll be able to see your organization location. So over in this tab, you can change the country if needed. Then over here, you will see the organization address. So you can change your address by filling out these fields over here. Then you're going to click on the pencil icon over here at the side in order to edit these fields. Then you're going to input the correct credentials over at this window. Then after that, you're going to click on Proceed. So once you've edited the organization address, you just want to make sure that you're going to click on Save over here at the bottom left in order to save the changes that you have made. And after that, you'll be able to change your address in Zoho Invoice. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.